Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mr. Bongs. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about how to set up a PayPal without an FnB account if you're South African. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you find this video with a lot of value. So yeah, let's get into it.
So the first thing I'm going to show you is how you can sync your South African bank accounts with FnB so that you can use PayPal. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to fnb.co.za and then you're going to click on register. From there, you're going to choose register for PayPal for non-FnB customers. And then you just need to select if you are registering for yourself or for your business. For this tutorial, I'm just going to select for me. And then you select I do not bank with FnB. And then what you're going to do is you're going to fill in all this information here. So it is your contact details, your physical address, your tax declaration. So you need to choose if you submit your tax only locally or if you do foreign and local tax. If you do not have your SARS tax number with you, you can select I do not have access to it right now. But I would highly recommend that you just get it before you start creating this account so that it's over and done with. Then you're going to move to section number 5 and you're going to click on add source of funds. So what this is, you have to select where you get your money from. So for most of us, we will only be getting our money from our salary. But if you have interest or dividends, or maybe you rent a house, anything over here that you get your money from, you will just need to tick it. Okay, and then you just have to create a username and a password, and then select any additional security that you'd like, and then make sure that you have read the terms and conditions and select that you agree to them. And once you've done filling all this information out, all you need to do is click on the submit button, and then you'll be able to link your non-FnB account to your FnB PayPal account and be able to withdraw those funds straight into your bank account.